Okay, my tips for dining al desko. My first one, I think it's actually the key. If people only remember one thing of me babbling on, the first one would be to make large batch foods and use your leftovers. So if you're making a spaghetti bolognese or a curry, that type of thing, try and make extra. My next one would be if you can pack your lunch the night before. For me anyway, personally, I have a much higher chance of bringing it with me because I know in the mornings, no matter how much I say I'm going to get up early, I'm a big fan of my snooze button. So I keep pressing snooze and then I go back to sleep. But if it's there and it's ready to go, I just pack it in my bag. I think having some funky kind of like containers and like little, almost like, you know, when you were a kid and you went into school and you had really cool lunch boxes. Like lunch boxes are retro and cool. Get some cool retro lunch boxes and then you'll totally want to bring your lunch. I think snacking, if you can kind of bring in some healthy snacks, I think that's really good for eating at your desk, especially for an afternoon slump. If you have a housemaid or wife, husband, partner, whoever, take different turns. So one night get them to do it, that you're going to make lunch for each other the next morning, and you know, it just shares the load a little bit.